Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manchekar Hauls and Reviews. Basically this video, just directly going towards the video, and this video is for those who are planning to buy either a straightener or maybe a blow brush, but they are confused what to buy, right? Because mostly almost both the product will cost you same. That is what I have noticed, because I have the Siska hair straightener which costed me around 2200 or maybe 2300. This is the straightener, okay, and I already have I got Alan Truman blow brush, okay. This I actually got it from Myntra and I got it for almost same price, 2200 or something, and this is in the pink and black combination. Okay, so this is the brush. So basically I was thinking that if someone wants to buy this, anyone, then which one should that person go for, and for that person, like for them only, I have come up with this video. On my what I have done in my demo is, on my left I have used the straightener and on my right side I have used the blow brush, and basically y'all can see right now the effect, almost the effect is similar, but the straightener one will give you a sleek look. Yeah, like you can see from here, it is giving me a sleek look, right? And whereas the blow brush will not give me that sleek look, it will give me a voluminous effect. So if you want some voluminous effect, then you can go for the blow brush, but if you want a sleek, neat look, then you can go for the straightener. Now what we will do is, we will just move towards the video. Yes, now you all can see I have already partitioned my hair in two different, like from the middle I have partitioned my hair into two sections. One I have already tied up. On my left hand side I'll be using the straightening iron, and on my right hand side I'll be using the blow dry brush, and for blow dry brush, and that is why I'm just wetting my hair, because whenever we use a blow dry, we should not use it on our dry, like the dry hair or something. We have to wet it. The hair should be wet, that is towel dried. It should not be total dry, right? And that is what I am doing right now. And if you are doing it on your dry hair, then you are using it in a wrong way, because I've already checked with Alan Truman person, the company from which I have purchased this. I've already checked with them and they said ki you have to use it on your little towel dry hair, not the total dry hair. So that is what I have done. I have just like wetted with some water, with my spray bottle. Now what I'll do is, I'll just take a little bit of heat protection mist, and as you all know, I am right now having this Toni & Guy. Whichever heat protection mist you have, you can use that, no problem in that. So you can see I'm using this right now on my hair. Just spray it generously on your hair, so that, and just comb through it once with wider tooth comb or something, whatever. You all can see I have already done the process. Now we will just do the straightening part. I will just start doing it, okay. I'll just switch on. Now in this, as you all know, I have already done a demo of this. If possible, I'll link the video up in the I button, as well as in that it will be given in the description box. So you can go ahead and you can check it. In this you have off, low, middle and high. That is what is given. You all can see over here the temperature settings. I'll be going on directly on the high part, and this is the noise what you get, right? I will just switch off right now because I have not partitioned my hair. I forgot. So what I'll do is, I'll just take little bit on the lower side. I'll just take it, then I'll just fold this full up, right? I will be just taking it this much, and I'll just start the machine. You all can see, after doing this, if you comb through your hair, it's very easy to comb through easily. Alright, this is the first strand what I have done. Now I'll just keep this strand back. I'll take another part maybe this much. Rest again I'll fold. Basically, like in my half part, I can make 4 sections. That is what my general notice is. I can make 4 parts and I can work in 4 sections. Whenever you do this, just keep in mind, take the section and try and do it from the bottom part. Don't go from the top part. If you will do from the top part, your hair will flat lie. That is totally, it will like flat, it will be like total flat, I mean to say. I think you get what I want to say. And if you do it from the bottom, that is from the down part, then your hair will become little voluminous. And that is what we are looking out for right now. Now you all can see I have already done my one part. See, I don't go much, like I don't like exactly like poker, this kind of straight hair, that is poker straight hair. I like little bit of normal also, that like it should look little bit normal. Otherwise anyone can make out that I have used some iron or maybe something. Now this is what we are working out right now. You all can see. If I want, I can go it from here for some time, but let's see. This is what right now my hair looks. Okay, and this, like, I'll just pin it up and I'll keep it like back, just back side. Okay, now we will take this other half. Now before that, I'll just switch on my flat iron because it's already off. It needs time to get it start. So I'll just open the lock. Okay, here is the button. I've already done a special video for this also. I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box, so you can go ahead and you can check. I'll just switch on. This is from Syska. If you want, I'll leave the model number and everything. The product links of both will be given in the comment section. It will be pinned in the comment section, so you can go ahead and you can check that. Okay, I'll keep it basically I over here in this I have 120 to 220 degree. What I'll do is I'll set it on 180 degree. I've already, y'all can see, I've already set it on 180 degree. Okay, it's on 180. I've kept my towel over here so that my bed and all should be safe. So I'll just take now this portion. This you do not have to wet. Like for straightening iron and all, you can directly go into the straightener. For that you don't have to like wet your hair or something. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll just spray my heat protection mist generously, properly. I'll just take the tail comb. Just move, like just comb your hair properly so that they are proper straight, like the heat protection is spread everywhere. I'll just take this much section as I did in the blow dry brush. Same thing I will do. I will make as far as possible 4 sections only. Okay, so that it is like be in the uniform stage. I am not proper in sectioning or something, so it's okay, like randomly you can. I'll just take my straightener. It's already Now this is the complete thing of the straightener, and this is the complete look of the blow brush. Now y'all can definitely see the straightener will give you a proper slick look. Y'all can see, y'all can easily make out from here only. This is proper straight flat and this is little bit voluminous. So if you are looking out for some volume or something, I will suggest you can go for the blow brush. Now before like blabbering or something, what I'll do is I'll just go off the camera, I'll just apply my hair serum and all, and then I'll come back. Yes, now you all have seen the demo and everything. In the demo I have shown you each and everything, straightening, and like I have done the straightening, I have used a blow brush, everything. There are just a few points to be kept in mind whenever you use your blow brush. If at all you have got the blow brush, never ever use on your dry hair, because it means a blow brush, that is the whatever wetness or whatever water you have on your hair, in your hair, you have to make it dry, and that is why you're using the blow brush. You should not use the blow brush on your dry hair, whereas straightener you can use it directly on your dry hair, the normal hair. Okay, before using any kind of heating tool, I always, in past also, right now also, and even in future also, I'll keep on repeating, please use some heat protection mist, whatever. It's not only particular pertaining to any brand or something. Use any kind of heat protection mist, but please make sure that you are using it. After using the heat protection mist, after doing the straightening and all, if possible, you apply some serum so that your hair will absorb the particular moisture and it will retain the shine and all into the hair. Otherwise, if you will not use the serum or something, then your hair may lose some kind of moisture from its like hair, okay, from its like body, hair body. It's not a word, I know, but then definitely I think you got what I want to say. And in the video, if at all you see me watching on the back side, then please don't mind, because right now y'all can see the location is already changed. The shooting place where I always shoot the video, it's already changed. I have like I am sitting in my bedroom. My dressing mirror is over here, that is in front of me, and I'm shooting right now. That is why this is a different location. And tell me how you felt this location. If you want me to shoot the videos over here, let me know. Or if you like the other location, that is my normal white. Actually, I have everywhere, I have white background only. So you want this background or you want the other background? Right now you all can see, as I told you, this is the blow brush and this is the straightener. Now you all can decide by yourself whichever you want to go for. If you will ask me, because I do own both the things, and for me both the gadgets, like both the heating tools give me the same effect, that is the long lasting one. Now you all say ki Meghna, how much it is lasting on your hair? Let me be very frank. You all know I'm a housewife. I do all the household work and household chores and everything. So what I do is, after filming all videos, I tie up my hair in a bun and I keep it here. So whenever for the next shooting time I open my hair, there are some kind of not wrinkles, some tangles or something you all always see in my hair, and I use this kind of tools hardly twice or max to max thrice a month, not more than that. And I request you to do the same thing. Don't overgo, like don't overdo it. If you are using it, either use it once a week, and that is maximum. Don't use more than once a week, otherwise your hair will become weak, they will become dry, frizzy, and like if you will not take proper care, it will become dry, frizzy, and it will like lose its own moisture and everything. So I'll suggest you use it hardly max to max once a week. So that is in a month maximum 4 times. What I do is hardly 2 or max to max 3 times, and that is why whenever I shoot a video, this is like I have done today, okay, then like you can say again, now next 4 to 5 videos I will not use any kind of like heating tool on my hair, okay. And you will say, Meghna, after washing your hair, then what you do? Yeah, definitely after washing my hair, I prefer using any kind of heating tool, provided if I'm shooting. If I'm not shooting, I just leave my hair as it is. I don't use, because at my home I don't use like any kind of, I am in normal bun. That is what we all are, right? So yeah, I think I have covered each and every point. Still, if you have any query related to this or related to this, you can definitely leave a comment below, or else I'll give you my Instagram handle over here on the screen. You can definitely give me, like, you can DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to reply you over there. Also in the comment section also you can like DM me, in the comment section also you can message me. I'll be happily reply you. And if you have any other video request, that also you can give me, you can comment down below. And if at all you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, then please like the video, share the video, give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, do not go without subscribing. Subscribing will not cost you anything, but it will encourage me to make such more and more such kind of videos, to get such kind of comparisons, to get more products, and to get review on this channel. And this is not only my channel, this is your channel also. So this is actually our channel. So let's be together and grow our channel together. Yeah, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.